This NotebookLM trick changes everything. Google just upgraded it with AI superpowers. Now you can turn messy research into SEO strategies, content plans, and even videos, all in one place. No spreadsheets, no chaos, no guessing. Let me show you how. All right, let's talk about NotebookLM. Most people think it's just a note-taking app. They're wrong. Google just gave it a massive upgrade, and now it's basically a content machine. You can take raw research, messy tabs, random articles, competitor pages, and turn all of that into SEO strategies, content briefs, and actual videos, all automated, all inside one tool. And here's the best part, it's free. So let me walk you through the exact system I'm using right now to create content that ranks and videos that convert. This is a 4-step workflow, and by the end, you'll know how to turn research into traffic. Let's go. Step 1, automated content discovery. Here's the problem most people have. They waste hours Googling, opening 50 tabs, bookmarking random pages, and then forgetting where everything is. NotebookLM fixes that. You can feed it sources automatically, top ranking pages, competitor content, case studies, industry reports, and it organizes everything in one place. No more chaos, no more lost research. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. I need content about AI automation for businesses. I could spend hours searching, or I could drop 10 high-ranking articles into NotebookLM and let it do the work. It reads everything, pulls out the key points, and organizes it all. That's step 1, research collected. Now here's where it gets good. Step 2, SEO data tables. This is the game changer. This is what nobody else is talking about. NotebookLM now creates structured data tables. These tables show you keyword opportunities, search intent, traffic potential, ranking difficulty, competitor coverage, and content gaps, all in one view. So instead of guessing what to write about, you have a roadmap. Let me break this down. Let's say I'm researching AI automation tools for the AI Profit Boardroom. I want to know what content performs. I feed NotebookLM some competitor pages, some case studies, some ranking articles, and it gives me a table. That table shows me which keywords have low competition, which topics competitors are ignoring, and which content gaps I can fill. This is powerful because now I'm not creating content based on feelings, I'm creating content based on data. Here's a real scenario. Let's say the table shows me that nobody is ranking for AI automation for small business lead generation. That's a content gap. That's an opportunity. I can create a deep guide on that topic, rank for it, and get traffic while my competitors sleep. That's what data tables do. They remove the guesswork. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let's handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. All right, back to the workflow. Step 3, SEO optimized content briefs. So now you have research, you have data, you know what to create, but you still need a plan. That's where content briefs come in. NotebookLM takes those data tables and turns them into full content outlines. Here's what's included. Title ideas, primary keywords, secondary keywords, heading structure, meta descriptions, internal link suggestions, and FAQ sections, everything you need to write a ranking article. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to write a post for the AI Profit Boardroom about AI chatbots for customer support. I ask NotebookLM to create a content brief, and it gives me a title, How AI Chatbots Help Small Businesses Close More Leads in 2025. It gives me a keyword, AI chatbots for lead generation. It gives me headings. What are AI chatbots? How AI chatbots qualify leads? Best AI chatbots for small businesses. It even suggests FAQs. Do AI chatbots work for service businesses? How much do AI chatbots cost? And it tells me where to add internal links. Link to my AI automation guide. Link to my lead generation tutorial. This is a complete blueprint. No blank page, no guessing, just write. And because it's based on research and data, it's already optimized for SEO. That's the power of this system. Now, here's where it gets even better. Step 4, AI video overviews. NotebookLM can now turn your research and content briefs into videos. Yes, videos. It generates AI narration, structured summaries, clear hooks, and takeaways all automatically. So let's say I just created that content brief about AI chatbots. I want to turn it into a video for YouTube or a landing page. I tell NotebookLM to create a video overview, and it does. It writes a script, it structures the content, it adds a hook, and it creates a summary, no filming, no editing, no script writing stress. This is huge for the AI Profit Boardroom because now I can take one piece of research and turn it into a blog post, a video, and a social media strategy, all from the same data. That's how you scale content fast. Real world example, let me show you how this works. Let's say I want to rank for AI automation for real estate agents. Step 1, I feed NotebookLM 10 top ranking articles about AI and real estate. Step 2, NotebookLM creates a data table. It shows me keyword opportunities, search intent, and content gaps. Step 3, I see that nobody is covering AI automation for real estate lead follow-up. That's my opportunity. Step 4, NotebookLM creates a content brief, title, keywords, headings, FAQs, all ready. Step 5, I write the article, or I use AI to write it. Step 6, NotebookLM generates a video overview. I post it on YouTube or I embed it on the landing page. Now I have a blog post ranking on Google, a video on YouTube, and content people actually want. That's the system. Research collected, insights structured, content planned, videos generated, all in one workflow. Now here's the reality check. Content alone doesn't guarantee traffic. You can write the best article in the world, but if nobody sees it, it doesn't matter. That's why SEO is the multiplier. You need backlinks, you need authority, you need optimization. That's how you turn content into traffic and traffic into customers. So here's what I want you to do. Try this workflow, pick a topic, feed NotebookLM some sources, create a data table, build a content brief, generate a video, and see what happens. This is how you turn research into results. If you want to rank number 1, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now, real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description, join the SEO Elite Circle today, and don't forget to comment below. Julian reads every single one. See you in the next video.